Hello everybody, I'm Steve and this is
Aidan.
And we're here to teach Aidan how to read a tape measure. Okay, so it's a really good skill to have, anyone to learn how to read a tape measure, because tape measures are an important tool around the house, on the job, or wherever. If you know how to read a tape measure, then you get accurate measurements and you get to, do your project, very easily and whatnot, and accurately. It's better to measure twice and cut once, or maybe measure 3 times and cut once. Okay. So we have 2 styles of tape measure, 2 types actually of tape measures that we are going to be working with today. One is a smaller 9-foot tape measure, and this one here is a DeWalt brand that I picked up at Lowe's or Home Depot. And then also I have the Stanley Fat Max tape measure, which is a 25-foot tape measure. It can go out very far, very long. It's great for large door openings, if you're measuring for window coverings or screen doors, etc. The smaller tape measure is great for measuring window screens. Okay. So then we have we're going to teach Aidan, right, how to read this, and then if you guys have any questions, please put any comments below. The other thing is that we do have extras of these tape measures here. So if it's a limited amount. So if you're interested, please leave comments down on the video, and we'll see if you're going to be able to get one. We can send one off to you. I think all we're asking for is the postage. So if you guys want a tape measure, just give us a holler, okay? Okay, Aidan, so how to read a tape measure here now. If you go to this mark, what is that measurement?
1 inch.
Okay, and this is
2 inch.
Okay, and this is
3 inch.
And that is
4 inch.
Oh, over here is
5 inch.
Okay, so that's the inches, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so for the sake of visibility, we're gonna use from 1 inch on to do the fractions. Okay.
Okay.
The first line represents, or should I say, every little line that goes across here represents a 1/16 of an inch, right?
Yes.
But then you have to round down the measurement. For example, I know that this measurement here is a 1/2 inch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if that's a 1/2 inch, if it was in 16ths, it would be 8/16. But
yes.
But we call it a 1/2 inch because that's really the measurement that it is. So we're going to start from scratch though. And I want to ask you, starting here, what is this measurement?
1/16.
Okay.
1/8.
Okay.
3/16.
Okay.
1/4.
Okay.
5/16. 3/8.
Okay.
7/16.
Okay.
A half.
Okay.
9/16.
Okay.
5/8.
Okay.
11/16.
Okay.
3/4.
Okay.
13/16.
Mm-hmm.
7/8.
Mm-hmm.
15/16.
And then the last one is another what? It's 1 inch, another inch. Right?
Another inch.
Right.
Yes.
So then if we said, okay, I want you to measure something, say I want to know where 2.5 inches is. Show me where to mark.
Here.
There in the center.
Yes.
That's 2.5. Okay. How about 2 1/4?
2 1/4 is right.
There. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 3/16.
Yes.
No. Where's 2 3/16?
The one right there on the left.
Oops, you moved the tape. So there is 2 3/16.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how you read a tape measure. So Aidan,
Yes.
have you ever used a tape measure before?
No.
Okay. Want to give it a shot?
Sure.
Okay. So let's see you give it a try. So you're going to always do your measurement width by height. Do you know what that means? Which way does width go? Width goes and height goes
up.
Okay. Other people also call that length. Okay, go ahead and give it a shot. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Look at on this side.
Up.
Okay, so what is the measurement?
35 inches.
Looks pretty accurate. Okay, good. And then how are you going to measure the height?
think like this. Put that right there.
Okay. So you put it down on the bottom right there. Okay. So what measurement did you get there?
I think that's 79 inches and 3/4.
79 3/4. Correct.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now you can start measuring door openings for what?
For blinds and screens.
No, you don't put blinds on a door. You're gonna put screen doors, right?
Screen doors.
Yeah, on this type of door, we're gonna put a swinging screen door. So that's the kind that we would do. So the measurement was,
The width was 35 inches.
and the height?
And the height was 79 inches and 3/4.
So 79 3/4 inches.
Yes,
Okay,
79
good job, buddy. All right, awesome. Okay, so again, thank you everybody for watching our video. Please like and subscribe, and we will definitely see you next time. And God bless. Take care. You want anything to say?
I'm good.
You're
Just
good?
like and subscribe, please.
Okay. Take care, guys. Bye bye.